In this video, we're going to take a look at the Start view. Each time you open up ViewletBuilder8 Enterprise, you will see the Start view page, which is what we're seeing here. In this particular example, in the Actions area, you can access links to create new projects, open existing projects, check for application updates, and go ahead and either activate or deactivate your license directly from the Actions links. You also have a section for recent files for quick access to files that you have worked on previously, as well as help resources. These are all available while you're connected to the internet. Our Learning Center will launch the page for you to go ahead and access user guides and tutorials. There's some training links here for free webinars, paid workshops. You can access the user forum. The user forum will let you connect with other Viewlet authors within the Qarbon user forum community. And if you're running into any issues, you can go ahead and directly connect to support to go ahead and have a support ticket submitted. Then in this section here, you have your publishing history. In ViewletBuilder8, anything you publish out of our publishing dialog will appear in this list depending upon what you have set up in your preferences, which we'll look at in just a second. Here we show our current publishing history. Anytime we want to go ahead and refresh this list, we can go ahead and click the refresh button. Now while that's loaded, let's take a quick look down here. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit. And we have our new section. The new section is actually a dynamic page that's served up from Qarbon servers with information that will change over time. For example, right now you can see information on releases, links to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, some training opportunities, as well as a chat button, which will allow you to go ahead and access our online chat if you have any quick questions that you need answering. And again, you'll notice up here our publishing history is updated. Now, there are customization options for the Start View page. Go up to Edit, then select Preferences. In the Preferences dialog, go ahead and select the Start View tab. And here you'll notice that we can opt to display the publishing history or not. So let's go ahead and just deselect that for a second. We can opt to display the news or not. We'll deselect that and see what happens. You can also, depend upon how many you want to have displayed, determine how many recent files you want to have. Up to 12 and as little as 4. You can also go ahead and determine how many of the local history items you want displayed and how many pages. You can also clear your publishing history at any time. Finally, for your publishing history, you can opt to show which targets you want displayed. Now, these particular targets are determined by your selections in your publishing dialog, which is a topic for another tutorial. But here you can go ahead and determine whether or not you want them displayed in the Start View page. And then once you make your preferences and your selections in here, click OK, and you'll notice that we cleaned up our Start View a little bit with disabling the news section and the publishing history from being displayed. But I can easily change this back at any time by going up to Preferences and then reselecting them, clicking OK, and then the pages will refresh with them. So that's it for this topic. If you have any questions, please visit us online at www.qarbon.com. Happy Viewleting!